Today, I am reviewing CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone looking for a high-performance desktop PC, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a serious contender in 2025. This desktop is built for speed, power, and immersive gaming experiences, featuring the latest Intel Core i5-13400F processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a GeForce RTX 5060 8GB graphics card. Whether you're diving into AAA titles, streaming content, or multitasking with demanding applications, this PC is designed to handle it all effortlessly. Starting with the CPU, the Intel Core i5-13400F comes with 10 cores and 16 threads, delivering a base clock of 2.5 GHz and boosting up to impressive speeds for intensive workloads. This means that not only does it handle modern games smoothly, but it also excels at multitasking, video editing, and productivity applications, making it a versatile option for both gaming and professional use. The Intel B760 chipset ensures stable performance and supports the high-speed DDR5 memory, which brings us to the 16GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz. DDR5 ensures faster data transfer rates, lower latency, and smooth multitasking even when running multiple applications or browser tabs simultaneously. The graphics card, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB of GDDR7 memory, is where the CyberPowerPC truly shines. This dedicated GPU handles modern games at 1080p and 1440p with high frame rates, bringing ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics into your gaming sessions. With support for HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, you can connect multiple monitors for an immersive gaming or productivity setup. Storage is another highlight. With a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, you get blazing fast load times for your games, applications, and files. PCIe 4.0 SSDs are among the fastest on the market, meaning your system boots in seconds, games load almost instantly, and transferring large files becomes a breeze. Connectivity and expansion options are impressive. You have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and reliable wireless connections, alongside a variety of USB ports, USB-C support, LAN port, and even a 7.1-channel audio interface. This makes it easy to connect gaming peripherals, VR headsets, or external storage devices without worrying about bandwidth or compatibility issues. Design-wise, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR features a tempered side panel with custom RGB lighting, giving your rig a modern, aggressive gaming aesthetic. The case is spacious enough for upgrades, so you can increase RAM, add additional storage, or even upgrade your GPU in the future. CyberPowerPC also includes a full-size keyboard and mouse in the package, giving you a ready-to-go gaming setup straight out of the box. For those concerned about support and reliability, CyberPowerPC provides 1 year of parts and labor warranty along with free lifetime tech support, ensuring peace of mind if you encounter any technical issues. In summary, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is an exceptional desktop for gamers and professionals who demand power, speed, and reliability. Its combination of the Intel i5-13400F CPU, RTX 5060 graphics, high-speed DDR5 RAM, and PCIe 4.0 SSD makes it capable of handling everything from the latest games to content creation workflows with ease. Whether you're looking to build a VR-ready gaming setup, a high-performance workstation, or simply want a future-proof desktop, this PC checks all the boxes. If you're looking for a system that delivers high frame rates, stunning graphics, and seamless performance, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is a top choice in 2025.